If you want to remove the Google search bar from the home screen on POCO X7 Pro, then all you need to do is press and hold your finger on the bar, and then you can simply choose remove. And there we go, the search bar is gone. If you actually decide to get it back, then you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, then choose widgets at the bottom, then go to Android widgets. Here we need to find Google widgets. There we go, this is the one that we are looking for, and here we have this Google widget. So we can press and hold. Actually, my home screen layout is locked. If that is the case, then you want to go to the settings, and here go to home screen, and here we need to disable this option, the lock home screen layout. All right, so now once again, press and hold the finger, widgets, Android, find Google widgets, there we go, press and hold your finger on the widget, and then you can drop it anywhere you wish it to be. Once you are done, press done in the top right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!